Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's, I'm gonna show how to install .NET Framework 3.5 in Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type control panel and hit enter. Change the view by category and select programs. Select programs and features. And go to turn Windows features on or off. The control panel is this control panel. Is this icon. Turn Windows features on or off and wait a moment. And mark this option .NET Framework 3.5. Mark and click on OK. And wait a moment. This process depends of your internet connection speed. Can be patient. This slow process and very long process. Sorry. Wait a moment. Apply the change. You can receive this message. Windows completed the request change, and to apply the change, restart your computer to complete the process. Click on close, go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart. Wait a moment. This PC is very low. Enter your PIN or password. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can try run any program of game with the pen net framework 3.5 and run properly or works fine, and your problem has been fixed in this point. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Sorry for my English, and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.